is that we're doing about $5 million of revenue per employee.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Frank Holmes. He is the executive chairman of Hive Digital Technologies. And Frank joining us live from New York City. Hi, Frank. How are you?
It's great. It's great. And we're launching the ATM to expand our growth to be 2% of the global network of Bitcoin mining and sourcing only green energy.
Yeah, well, that's what you're here to talk about your September numbers, and they returned again what we've seen in the last months before that. Some pretty good numbers, and obviously very steady.
We're very, very proud of the numbers. Everyone's working so hard after the halving and to deliver for the shareholders. And we're thrilled to see that our Bitcoin holder position has grown by 50% over the past year. Some of the other companies have demonstrated good growth. They don't hold their precious Bitcoins, but we do. And so we're happy with those achievements. And then we're now expanding. We've got all the renderings for Paraguay to add 100 megawatts of electricity to double our production.
Yeah, and that's the key, Frank, here is you're going to be adding machines and doing it in a green way as well, which is sort of the motto of the company.
Yes, and we're very excited about those opportunities that we get size of green energy, which has basically been very challenging in Canada or Norway or Sweden and these other places. So we now have a very defined vision and critical path to increase our Bitcoin footprint for the shareholders.
Yeah, and just quickly on Paraguay, you mentioned that you're getting close to getting that into a part where you're going to start to build.
Yes, we've got all the renderings and permitting and actually buying more land to secure our more acres all around us because I think that this is going to become a whole community.
Yeah. And lastly, Frank, just on the company itself, your valuation exceeding $160 million now just on the Bitcoin part of it. It sounds like the company continues to be strong as you end off 2024.
Yeah, we're on target. You know, what's interesting, Steve, is that we're doing about $5 million of revenue per employee. And when you look at a number like that and you say, well, NVIDIA, they're rock stars, but they're 3.5 million and Apple is 2 million. So the team has done a great job of keeping the G&A very attractive relative to our peers and still being able to, in a very tough environment, to mine Bitcoin successfully and profitably.
Yeah, well, your numbers show it. 112 Bitcoins mined in September. Frank, thanks so much. Enjoy New York City. I know you're very busy, and I appreciate your time jumping on with us.
Yeah, I forgot, Steve. The last thing was Stifel. Stifel is huge retail, RIA brokers. You're pushing almost 4,000 brokers, 400 offices in Europe. We're listed in Germany. So I think their depth and breadth is really going to be significant for our next leg of growth.
Yeah, and they're partnering up with you, right?
Yes, they are.
Yeah. All right, Frank, good to talk to you, and we'll talk soon, okay?
Take care, my friend.
All
Have a
right.
nice weekend.
You as well. There's Frank Holmes, the executive chairman of Hive Digital Technologies.